Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you would like to make a red pesto with me. So, what do I have here? It's a pretty simple recipe and it's so delicious, extremely delicious, and you can have it with whatever you want, bruschetta, pasta, you name it, right? So, what do I have here? I have dried tomatoes, a regular. I bought it in the store. I didn't make it myself, but you can spend a few weeks in Spain or I don't know, Italy and make them yourself. That would be even more amazing. And then I have pine nuts. I already roasted them. And now we're just gonna mix it all together and add a little bit of garlic. I don't know, I like garlic. Especially I like to meet people after I eat garlic, you know. And they love it too. They feel this special connection between us. What if I have to still talk to people today, right? Let's be gentle. So then we add all of the tomatoes and oil that was in a jar. If, for example, you had not enough oil in a jar with dried tomatoes, you can add extra olive oil, of course, always. And then peanuts. I love, right?
Peanuts.
Oh. Just got it. And then pine nuts. So, pretty simple, right? Now we're gonna blend it really well and it's ready. And it's gluten-free, it's plant-based, you don't have to add parmesan because it's already tastes so rich and so good. I'm jealous to you guys. You're gonna eat this pesto afterwards. Or I'm gonna eat this pesto afterwards. Yes. Let's start. Didn't finish yet. Just checking. That was loud. Let's check. What a sound. Yeah, baby. So good. And I don't even need pasta for that. Enjoy! I don't even need pasta for that. For that or for eat? Sure.
For eat.
For that. And then